How you guys doing? Today, on another Attack Thursday, we are on our way to the comic book store. Let's hit it. What's up, guys? So, on the way to the comic book store. We've broken down one time. I just need to get the new parts for the slide carb. I know I've been saying that for over a month, but man. And some people are like, dude, you break down all the time. Yeah, I know. And the worst part about today is I did not bring my backpack that has all the tools. I completely forgot that one in the garage whenever I was getting ready to go. I was too excited to get on the ruckus. I just hope that doesn't come back and bite me in the ass, I guess. Man, I need to fix my speedo. What is wrong with you, ruckus? I just want to ride you for a while without breaking down. That's all I want. It has been a long week at work. I've been looking forward to just riding the ruckus. Yes, it just sits there for a while. I probably need to ride it more often just to make sure the jets don't like clog up and whatnot. But this is just so relaxing to me. Come on, Carb. You got this. Come on, 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 come on. Damn it. Alright. Broken down. Number 2. One of these days, I'll be able to go on a ride and not break down. I swear to God. One of these days. Alright. Back up and running. For those of you keeping score at home, that is the second time we broke down on the way to the comic book store. I swear to God, if I get there and somebody gets this challenge, I'm gonna be pissed. Why did I forget that backpack? I usually put it on, but I really just was too excited to get on this thing. Alright. Let's see. I need to come up with I guess another tag after I go get that. I think I'll probably do the mattress store. I'll hit it on the way back. No, please don't stop. This is where I break down. Okay, maybe a Fiesta. No, those aren't all around. I think a mattress store would be a good one. I feel like those are everywhere. But yeah, okay. I'll get it on the way back. I'll post it up. I'll post a picture once I'm done. I have to drive by here anyway. Might as well. I think we're about 3/4 of the way to the comic book store. Twisted Treats. It's a new one. Really? That's every single light.
Few inches later.
For those of you keeping score at home, this is indeed the 3rd time. We're breaking down. Yep. Damn it. 3rd time. 3rd time we're breaking down, guys. We gotta get out of the way. Do a little kiss of life. I swear to God, it has to be the carb, the filter, or something. Maybe the fuel pump. Ugh. Get out of the way. Sorry. Sorry. Yep. 3rd time. Let's do this. And now let's see if we can get this green light. Come on. Should have gone the other way. Damn it. And I really just need to troubleshoot it so I can have a functioning ruckus, so I can take it to shows, so I can ride it around, so I can actually enjoy it. Because I love riding it. I really, really do. But every now and then, whenever it breaks down on me, it just, it gets frustrating after a while. It really does. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn here. I really hope the comic book store's still here. Oh, people at the Montessori are gonna be like, what is he doing? Come on, come on. Oh. Ah! Vacuum leak, I swear. That could be another thing. Let's add it to the list. Right here, comic ball. Come on. Oh, come on. I think she's taking a picture of me. Alright. Oh, just in time. Should we count that as not a breakdown, guys? Because it just broke down. Alright, let's take this picture and I'll be with you guys in a bit. So there's the comic vault. If anybody's interested, that's where I got the picture for the challenge of comic book store. Ooh, I can go out the other way. No, okay, I'm already here. Okay. So mattress store. Alright, before anybody fast forwards, will we make it to the mattress store without breaking down? Leave the comment below. Leave a like if you think we are. You'll be a little bit more optimistic than I am at the moment. Alright, nobody coming. Goodbye, Comic Vault. Thanks for the point. Let's go. There's the group of, I guess, Northwest Houston riders that I really want to get into. Just want to have somebody to ride with. So I love riding, don't get me wrong. Riding by myself is fun. But there was one time that I rode with somebody else. I had a buddy come down from the Fort Worth area. He spent, I guess, New Year's with his family down here. And he came down, he put his ruckus in the back of a truck and drove all the way down. Well, actually, he has a Met ruck. Let me see if I can find a picture of that day. I'll post it right here. Yeah, he has a Met ruck, which is the front of a Met, Honda Metropolitan, the back end of a Honda Ruckus. So I think 2005, maybe is when they changed the body style. Please don't break down. When they changed the body style and the frames aren't the same anymore. Hey, another one. Cue DJ Khaled. Another one. Alright, for anybody counting at home, keeping score, it's this. I don't even know how many that is. So see, one kiss of life and it's good to go. I feel like we made it halfway from the comic book store to the mattress store. We're still rolling. Yeah, we're actually all rolling. Okay, so back to the conversation because I didn't really know if we were rolling or not. For those of you that had a lot of hope for the ruckus in this trip from the comic book store to the mattress store, thank you. For those of you that didn't, welcome to the club. But I see the mattress store. There's been one time from the comic book store to the mattress store. Okay, where's my phone? Oh shit, where's my phone? Did I lose my phone? I think I lost my phone. Two times. Sorry. Me. I lost my phone. I lost my fucking phone. Guess we can take a picture with the GoPro. Me. Alright, so now we're on our way to find my phone. Damn it! I hope it's at that last place where I broke down. Because if it is, it probably just fell down and it's safe. I really hope so. Thank you. Okay, so the name of the game is going to be look for my phone or a phone case. Damn it, dude. I need a phone mount or something. I don't even know. I'll see you guys later.